With nearly 20 years of experience in Florida real estate, one of the things I have learned early in my career, which has served me super well, is to make sure that I'm putting the customer's needs ahead of my paycheck. This is Ron Wysokarski at Real Estate in a Nutshell, and too often we find ourselves looking at, what's the price point? What's the commission percent? How much money can I make if everything works well? And by the way, if I put a lot of time in it, hey, what's my cost per hour on this? See, all of these things are about you and not about your customer. And when we take the time to invest in what the customer truly wants, interestingly enough, more deals tend to work out, more closings happen, and more commissions and more sales happen too, and they compound over time. As you have success and get great reviews from your customers and the all-important referral, because now you are a known and trusted source, chances are you're going to come out way ahead in the long run if you put the time in to make it about your customer and less about yourself. So maybe stop commission checking and paycheck checking and dial yourself in very deeply in what's most important for your customer. This is Ron Wysokarski for Real Estate in a Nutshell.